Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, I will be unboxing the Topbox for April 2020. If you are unfamiliar with Topbox, Topbox is a Canadian makeup and beauty subscription that sends out 4 deluxe size product every month for $15 a month. They are only available in Canada and offer free shipping across the country. If you are interested in signing up, I will leave a link into the description below for you. Since this is a Canadian subscription, all prices mentioned in this video will be in Canadian dollars. Every month, the box arrived in a black box like this with the word Topbox on the top. I didn't get a card this month that tells me what the items are inside, but I did receive an email that tells me what's inside the box and the retail value for each item. The first item I have in the box is the Laritzy Bronzer Contour Stick. This is a full-size product that retails for $24 US, and when converted, it is $33.50 Canadian. I won't be giving this a swatch as I have other contour products that I'm trying to use up, but I will show you a picture of what the shade looks like from the Laritzy website. This is a new cream shade stick that makes contouring a dream. The shade I have is Aloha, which is at the top. This formula is highly pigmented, buildable, and weightless to make it easy to accomplish that perfectly blended look that will stay all day. The second item I have in the box is Delia Organics I Dare You Serum. This is a full-size product that retails for $27.99. This is a lightweight hydrating serum that is loaded with cranberry seed oil, which is a beneficial antioxidant that will help soothe, hydrate, and even the skin tone around the eyes. I personally love eye care products in general. This is mainly because the skin around your eyes is the thinnest and most fragile and also the most delicate area. This is where some of the first sign of aging occurs. I usually try my best to use products that delay the aging process. You can delay the formation of wrinkles, but once they're formed, there's no way of reversing that unless you go get a Botox. Unlike some other eye care products, the thing I like about this eye serum is that you can pronounce all of the ingredients. It contains cranberry seed oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, and avocado oil. This is a product that I will keep and use. The serum comes in a nice glass bottle with a roller at the top, which is very convenient for applying around the eyes. So how you would use this is roll it around your eye contour area and lightly massage into your skin with light dabbing motion with your third or ring finger. I usually like to use my ring finger, especially around the delicate eye area, because this is the finger that will give you the least amount of pressure. Since this is a serum, I would go in with an eye cream to lock in these beneficial ingredients. I'm currently using the Genevieve eye cream. Again, I'm just taking a little bit of this eye cream and dabbing it in a patting motion with my ring finger around the contour of the eyes. With regular use of this eye serum, you should be able to see an increase in hydration and a brighter eye area. The third item I have in the box is the Barefoot Venus hand repair. On their website, the full size for 3 ounce retails for $20 and the mini size, which I have here, costs $6.50. This multi-purpose silky smooth treatment nurtures and repairs with mango, shea, and olive fruit butters, leaving a silky feel and protective barrier on the skin. Hand cream is an essential product, so I'll be keeping this for myself to use. The last item I have in the box is from Belif. This is their Youth Creator Age Knockdown Balm. They sell the full size that is 50 ml at Sephora for $80, and the one I have here works out to be $16. This serum protects your skin from aging pollutants through the antioxidants and replenish moisture with nourishing ceramides and other soothing herbs and emollient ingredients. The Age Knockdown Balm is an antioxidant-rich gel-type serum that helps reduce the appearance of enlarged pore by 38%, and it also helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles so that you can have younger-looking skin. As you all know, I love skincare products that helps you look younger, and this serum is pretty expensive, so I will be keeping it for myself and giving it a try. So that's pretty much everything in the box. Now let's calculate the total value and see how we feel. The first item we have in the box is the Laritzy Contour Sticks for $33.50, and then the eye serum for $27.99, and the hand cream for $6.50. And last, we have the Belif Age Knockdown Balm for $16. The total value of this box is $83.99. I would say my favorite product in the box is this eye serum, and I'm also excited to try the Belif serum. My least favorite product is this contour stick. I don't know if I'll be using it or I might just end up giving it away. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this box and what's your favorite item. I'm also curious to know of what different products you've received in your own box. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.